try it. Try it. Try it. We'll see what happens.
Would a gallery wall look good right there? I don't know. But we're gonna try it. I mean, might as well try it.
Ask ChatGPT. How do you make a gallery wall? Because I don't know how to do this. And they said to take all pictures of you kind of need things to be similar. So you want pictures of similar backgrounds, similar taste, similar color palettes, whatever. Put them all together. It can be different shapes, different sizes, but best to lay it out on the floor first and then see. That way you can rearrange before you actually put them up on the wall. And then it says when you go to hang them up on the wall, start the lowest pictures 6 to 8 inches from the base of your couch. So I'm going to show you what I've got so far. I'm kind of liking it. What's neat is I could probably use a couple more pieces, haha, which means I can go thrifting and find something else. So let me turn it around. Let me flip it so I can show you what we got going on. Mooches. All right, so this is what I'm thinking. We'll see what happens when I get them all up on the wall. Kind of starting here. And these are all, some of these are from my mom and dad's house. Some of these are from hubby's mom and dad's house. So it's just a mixture of all their travels and trips and things like that. I thought it was pretty cool. Now comes the fun part. Oh, now comes the fun part. I'm gonna hang them on the wall, see what happens. Okay, do I want to set up the camera so you guys can see what I'm doing? Maybe I will. All right, hold on, maybe I will. I don't know. What do you guys think? Hold on, I'll flip it around. You guys can look up. I don't think it looks half bad. Not half bad. No? Thoughts? There are a couple of bare spots. I thought maybe something right there. Hold on. Right there. Could use something in a little circle shape maybe. And then maybe over here in these corners, something different shaped, just to go add some different visuals to it. But I don't think it's half bad for an hour's worth of work. All I'm saying is there might be something hiding around your house that would look really good somewhere else. It's worth it sometimes to walk through your house and go, that might look better somewhere else. So I made a gallery wall today. I have a couple of holes, I'll admit, but nothing's stopping you from trying it out, right? If you don't like it, just redo it. It's the beauty of it being your place. You get to make it the way you want. All right, guys. That's gonna do it for me today. Buddy. Out like a light. Maybe that's what I should do, take a nap.